Blessed day everyone, welcome to Pinoy Lakas Radio Streaming here in City of Sonora or County of Sonora. It's almost 6 o'clock. The sun is really high. If you see those two little houses there, they're actually the greenhouse where you can put your plants during winter time so they won't get damaged by the snow. Ito po, this is the house that where Dr. G is staying. It's a cottage and there's a 2 house in 1 lot. Very homey. There, at the end, meron doong creek. Meron doong river. So, I don't want to go there kasi wala pa si Doc. Maybe one morning we will go there. May barbecuehan, may small patio. But if you can see the ground, namamatay ang mga halaman. The plants are being damaged by the snow. Nagpo-frozen dito pero meron tayong patio dito at another fence over there actually. You see those? Talagang the very homey ito at ang ating bay window. Tapos may ipapakita ako sa inyo ha guys. Nilagay ko yung aking favorite na mga bee, ng mga bee decoration. Itong bay window natin. Double doors. Nakakatuwa eh. So you can open the door here in this side or here in the front. Yan, ito ang second house. Tapos, ayan ang ating binunot ko yung mga mga branches ng leaves na nag-frozen. Na-frozen siya. O, kawawa naman ng snake plant natin. But I put some new nice miracle growth potting soil. Ayan. Variegated ito na octopus aloe. Ayan, ang ganda oh. If you can see my stripe siya guys. Variegated yan. It's one of a kind yan. Yan. Yung mga binunot ko, I wasn't able to go out in the morning because it was really, really freezing cold. Ayan, nilagay ko. Yan sa ating. Ito ang door sa master bedroom. If you open this is our master bedroom. Tapos, ito meron tayong coffee table here. Ito ang matching pot natin. Nilinis ko rin siya. Yan. 2 kinds. If you notice, this one is just a solid green. Right? Regular octopus. But this one is variegated. That's just very expensive. We see the stripe. That's totally different from this one. Ito yung ating cutting sa ating Pismo, sa ating Fontana home, sa Casa de Gil, kasi sa Pismo, yung ating orange branch dyan na merong mga orange tree. Tapos ito yung bago nating ganda na ating lantern, oh, see? So ito yung mga inad ko. If you notice, this is bamboo. Bamboo. Hindi nga masyado matibay ito eh. Okay. I just make it as homey as it is. Para hindi naman ako nalulungkot. Pero Doc will be the one to stay here and I'll be staying in Pismo Bay in Fontana while waiting for our new home. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung decoration. Say welcome. Yan, different kind ng design ng welcome. Welcome home. Diba? Puro siya may mga beef, you can see. It's a bell. You can hear it. It's a wind chime. Pagka humahangin, nagkakaroon siya ng sound. Ang ganda ng sounds niya. Ayan, different guys, nakita niyo yung video niya dyan, right? Tapos ito din yung video naman sa isa. Ito din yung video ito. Let's go to the side, ha? Ito din. Maybe din siya. Wind chime din siya. Guys, my favorite characters is the gnome. Okay? Nung maliliit pa mga bata, I watch movie with them and videos every afternoon, like noon time. Yung mga maliliit pa sila, Melanie, David the gnome. Meron ba kayo? To those who know David the gnome, if you can find me the clippings of the cartoons in the TV a long time ago, 2080s and 20s, kung makikita nyo yan, i-ano nyo yung clippings ng isang story niyan, and you can win a prize. Ayan. Ito yung ating shelf. Lalagyan natin yan ng mga potting ng maliliit na succulent. Okay. Okay, guys. Very home ang inside nito ng house, but right now I just wanna focus on the muna outside. Okay, guys? I love you all. Please follow me sa ating new journey here in Sonora with Dr. G. Okay, guys? I love you. Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time. Praying for all of you as I pray for my health. Love you. Bagyo forever. God bless.